The next neat thing you need to know are the 6 sides of a Rubik's Cube. There's your front, your back, your left, your right, your up, and your down. If I give you the algorithm front, you would turn the front face clockwise 90 degrees. If I tell you front prime, you would turn the front face counterclockwise 90 degrees. Same goes with the right side. If I say right, clockwise 90 degrees. Right prime would be clockwise, counterclockwise 90 degrees. And etc., etc. Now, if I give you the algorithm right prime, right, down, you would go right prime, right, down. And there you go. Those are your faces.